For the remainder of class, we'll have 3 different things going on. The first is if you are in this first column, it's time to finish the MAP test. So, quick reminder that the way that you get onto MAP is by logging into Clever, and then in the search, type MAP, choose that first green icon that says MAP, and then a pop-up's going to come up in the upper right. Click on it and always allow pop-ups from that site. Click student login, enter the information being provided to you, select your name from the drop-down, and then your test should already be loaded. So it should say physical sciences or something like that. Click forward on the arrow and the yes. It's 2 blue things in a row. Okay, so for students who have been assigned by me to doing the Nearpod, please support students who are needing to get into MAP first if they need it before going into your own Nearpod that I've assigned. Okay, so next we've got studying the 14 elements, and for that I'm bringing in my guest, my husband Harry. So here we go. Hello everyone. Okay, so this is my husband Harry, and it's been a while since he thought about the 14 elements, and so I'm going to use Harry as an example of how you can study with your partner if they need extra support on learning their 14 elements. So Harry, the first thing we've learned is a saying to learn the 14 element symbols. So it's Al C. Hopkins, like a guy named Al. Al C. Hopkins, you say it.
Al C. Hopkins. My guy Al.
Cafe, like a place you would drink coffee.
Cafe.
Mighty good, salt.
Mighty good. Salt.
Okay, so the whole saying is Al C. Hopkins Cafe, mighty good salt. You say it.
Al C. Hopkins Cafe, mighty good salt. You say it.
No. Okay. Then salt is NaCl. Okay, so just know that there's 2 symbols. NaCl, that's salt.
Salt is NaCl.
Okay, so hopefully they're like starting to remember that saying because it truly is going to help you when you take the quiz. But now we're going to start looking at the actual elements. So, Harry's not going to be looking at this, but I'm going to show you what you could be recording on your paper. So, Al, what is it, Harry? What?
Aluminum.
Oh, okay.
Or as the British say, aluminium.
So I'm putting a check by that because he got it pretty fast. C.
Calcium?
Carbon.
Carbon.
Carbon. C is carbon. Okay? So watch what I do here. So H. What's H?
Hydrogen.
Yes. Now I'm going to go back and do C again. C.
Carbon.
Nailed it. Now I'm going to put a check. O.
Oxygen.
P.
Phosphorus?
Yes. See, these do come in useful. He remembers them and hasn't studied them in over 30 years, probably.
I'm old.
No, 20 years. Okay, K.
Ooh, potassium.
Yes.
That's a tricky one.
It is. I.
Iron? Oh, no. Iron is Fe. Iron is... I is... Iridium.
Iodine. So even if he had gotten it there, I wouldn't be counting that as like nailing it. So I already put a dot before he had even said anything. This is a great chance to go back and cover that other dot. So I'm going to say Harry, C.
Carbon.
Nailed it, great. And now I.
Iodine.
Iodine. N.
N? Is N calcium? Is calcium an element? Because I want to say it so bad. That's probably...
N.
Well, potassium is K.
Right. Okay, I see what you're saying.
Nitrogen.
Yeah, you do.
Just playing with you guys.
I'm putting a dot because he wasn't confident. S.
Sulfate?
Close.
Oh, sulfur.
Sulfur, so the other dot. N.
Nitrogen.
C.
Carbon.
I.
Iodine.
Okay, so hopefully
Carbon.
you see... Hopefully you see what I'm doing here. That's what I want you to do for your partner. Once they're feeling comfortable with just identifying the elements, then the next step would be to give them a piece of paper and have them write out the elements so you can check for spelling, okay? Tatum's coming and he's sick, so now we're gonna have to go take care of him for a minute, but study your 14 elements this way.
Stay in school and you always have class.
And lastly, if you are in this last column on the right here, then I would like to see you complete a Nearpod that I've loaded into Canvas. So if you didn't know, the Science Canvas page is up and running. From your dashboard, it's going to say A-Day Science 8 Riggin. Click on that and then go to Modules. And in Structure of Matter, Part 1, you will see that there is October 4th Nearpod Practice. Go ahead and click on that. And there is a link for you to practice content for what we're doing currently in a Nearpod lesson. So if you click on that Nearpod lesson, it should then allow you to complete the tasks. Okay, so enter your name, not my name, your name, and join the lesson. And then it starts off with this matching exercise about the 14 elements. And then, there's like a slide there. This is actually from last year, but all the activities in it are relevant for what you're learning. Okay, so click through. There's many different activities for you to do or videos to watch. And I'll look at the back end, and whoever completes this, I'll add some extra credit for you. Have a great day. Be successful. Be productive. And I will see you on Wednesday. Okay. Bye, everyone.